Hello everybody, this is Baljit from JK. Welcome on my channel. And this video we are going to make Indian style cookies at home. I will walk through step by step how you can make cookie at home. Pretty simple, easy and less time consume. So let's start. First we're gonna talk about what we need to make cookies. As you can see I have all material in front of me. We need a whole milk. We need a white flour, sugar, butter or cooking oil. We need a baking soda, and you need some kind of a forming machine, or you can make a shape with your hand as you like. So now time to mix all ingredients. So as you can see I have a 1 pound of white flour, and I'm gonna use same amount of sugar. You can use less according to your taste. I'm going to use a half amount of cooking oil or butter, and I'm going to mix everything dry first. So what I have to do after make a dough, I'm going to leave it for 1 hour. If you don't want to wait for 1 hour, so what you have to do, you can mix sugar, baking powder, butter and a little bit of milk, like make a little bit of liquid. So it will dissolve quick and easy in flour. So first I'm going to mix baking soda. So I'm going to use 1 pound flour and 2 teaspoons of baking soda. So after baking soda, we're gonna add sugar. We're gonna mix really good. After sugar and baking powder mixed and flour, we're gonna add butter. After add butter, we're gonna mix again. And then the last step will be milk. We're gonna use milk as needed. We don't wanna have our dough really liquidy, because we're gonna make a cookie shapes. And if it's liquidy, it's gonna be really, cookie's gonna be like hard and not gonna be soft. So now our cookie dough is almost ready. We're gonna let it sit for like almost 1 hour. After 1 hour, this dough is ready for cookies. So we're gonna mix one more time and start forming cookies. As I showed earlier, I have one of the forming machine. I'm going to use that one. So now I have this machine is available. As I talked earlier, I have a cookie forming machine. It's like a hand use. So I'm gonna simply fill with the dough, and I'm gonna squeeze the trigger on the top, and the cookie will come on the bottom. So I'm going to use this machine. I will form almost 2 trays of cookies at the one time. And as I'm forming cookies, my oven is ready. I set to temperature 350 degree. And after ready, I'm gonna put both trays inside, and it's gonna take at 350 degree almost 15 minutes to fully ready those cookies. And between those 15 minutes I will keep checking, and I will switch trays, because I'm going to use my oven and I have 2 shelves inside. After 10 minutes I will swap both trays, like the top shelf will go on the bottom and the bottom will go on the top. As you see, I have placed cookies trays inside oven, and now we're gonna wait almost 10-15 minutes. I swap already, and now time to take them out, and there's the finished cookie. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.